In this video, we will learn how to create innovative image slide design using Microsoft PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Click on Right button, select Edit Points. Please grab this point and drag it in, and grab this point and drag it out, which will change the shape like this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl Shift, take it left side. Go to Rotate, select Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Set it like this. Click on Right button, go to Format Shape, click on Fill, click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File, select and insert it. Go to Crop, click on Fill, adjust picture like this. Select this shape, click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File, select and insert it, and click on Rotate with Shape, and also select background color using eyedropper. Go back to Insert, select Text box, write India here. Select and change the font, make it bold and increase the font size. Also change the font color using eyedropper. Press Ctrl Shift and take it downside. Decrease font size, add information here. Select and change the font color. Select this shape, go to Animation tab, select Fly in Animation. Go to Effect option, select from left. Increase duration also. Click on Animation Painter and apply animation on this picture. Go to Effect option, select from right and select Start after Previous. Select this text box, apply Float in Animation. Go to Effect option, select Float Down and select Start after Previous. Click on Animation Painter and apply animation on this text box. Go to Effect option, select Float Up. Select Start with Previous. And now let's play the slideshow. So, see friends, our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.